Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reset the forgotten password on the Samsung Galaxy S10e, S10, S10 Plus and with Android 11 or Android 12. So the first thing that we need to do is to turn off the device. So what you need to do is plug your phone into a charger so that we can switch off the device. So switch it off and then press and hold on the power button and the volume down key. Press and hold. And then once the screen turns off, let go of the buttons and you should see a charging information window. Once it has turned off, now depending on which version of Android that you're running, you may need to plug in a USB-C cable, either a headphone or a USB cable to a computer. So you can plug in the USB cable to the phone and then to the computer, or simply a headphone if you've got a USB-C headphone. Now, depending on which version you have, you may not need the USB cable at all. So first, try power button plus the volume up key plus the Bixby key to see if it works or not. So press and hold for a few seconds. So press and hold, continue to hold, continue to hold, and continue to hold. Now, if it does not put into the recovery menu, that means you may be running on a newer version of Android. So in this case, you will need to again switch it off. So I'm going to plug in the charger cable and switch it off. So I'm going to press on the power button and the volume down key. Press and hold. Okay, now that it is off, I'm going to unplug the charger cable and I'm going to plug in a USB-C cable to a headphone or to the computer. And next, again, I'm going to press and hold on the power button, volume up key and the Bixby key. All three keys at the same time. Press and hold. Press and hold. Now this is on Android 12. So press and hold, continue to hold. And shortly, once you see the recovery menu, use the volume down key and press on the down button until you see it said factory data reset or wipe data or factory reset. And then you press on the power button and then you press on the volume down key and then press on the power button, factory data reset. And this will allow you to reset the device, reset the password on the lock screen. Now, if you are using this method, this will cause you to lose all the data on the device. So only do this if you are prepared to lose all your data, such as pictures, contacts, and settings on the device. Now I'm going to press on the cancel button for now because I do not want to lose all the data. But if you press on factory data reset, you'll be able to reset the device and then you'll be able to log back onto your device and set a new password. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now when you see it say reboot system now, press on the power button to reboot the system. And that's it. Thank you for watching.